Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So, make sure to watch everything to understand exactly where is Bitcoin going, what's happening after that big move. So make sure to watch everything. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals there. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, that the daily candle here, it's finished, a red candle after the short we entered yesterday. I tell it to you in the video. We enter a short today. It's hitting for us the first take profit. Now we wait in the second one. It was very close, and we make very nice profit from that move. So till now here in the daily, I want to analyze for you some things. I tell it to you before, till we breaking that trend line here. Till now we haven't break it here in the daily, so it's still very early for us thinking of to enter long. For people they been with us, they remember us, we buying from here and here and here from the 200 moving average. We been here in the profit, but me, I don't close it because that one is for long term. I told you I got a pending order here and another one here at that level here and another one here, all of them by 25%. As many you buy, you put 25% here, and what it left you put 25% of it here, then what it left you put 25% of it here. So like that you buying every time when you see any dip. So now another thing very important here, you remember that trend line we used to have here like that. We touch it here and we couldn't break it above, so that move will happen in here. It's not something healthy, guys. If it fall down and breaking the last low, that means the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. You need to be careful. For us to know that move it's ending, it's need the market to go back and to break that last high, because as you know, market is working with waves. Look, when you are in an uptrend, what the market being doing here, up, low, high, low. Here he couldn't give us here another high, so over here it's not healthy here. Market, he tried to give us here a double top here, but it hasn't breaking down the neckline. That means it's still early. Yes, fundamental Bitcoin is still very healthy, but technical analysis, we are not healthy till now. Till the moment we are not healthy. Another thing very important here is the 200 moving average here, because I saw some people, they being yuppie, they said we're breaking above. Yes, we break it yesterday, but today candle when it's closed, what we done here, we're breaking down here. So what that telling you, that is telling you us we go back in a downtrend. So everything till now it's still in a downtrend, guys. You need to focus about those things what I'm telling you. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. Now it's going to see the coming news for today. For pictures to get more clear to you, so let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that the news, by the way, today is Thursday. You need to be careful. Today we're going to see a big move. You need to be careful about that one. Today we got CPI of the Eurozone. We got that one core PCI and another core PCI index. So those ones, they are very important. Measurement is going to come today. That way, me, I told you we're going to see a major move today. As you see, the core PCI, it's showing it will not come good, it will come bad here. As you remember, the previous one, it used to be 4.1, and for this month here, the forecast of investing.com is 4.2. That man is very bad. If it came like that, we're going to see a major move, so be careful, guys. Those was the holding with me the short, leave it. You are now in risk free. And here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. Look at it. US stocks, it's still going up. By the way, if you want to see the analysis of the Nasdaq and the SP 500, you can go to our other YouTube channel. The name of the YouTube channel, his name Index Insider. You can find it here in the channel or just search for it, or if you are in our Telegram and in our Discord, we just put in the video there to see the SP 500 and the Nasdaq analysis and even the DXY or US dollar. But here, our friend, the VIX, as you see it, it's still very good, 13. That man, currency is still very low. There is nothing to be worried about. Everything's still very good here for US stocks. And the dollar index here, as you see it, it's 103. I just make analysis. It's showing to me it's going to fall down, but is it falling down? And Bitcoin, it's falling down. That way, me, I told you there is something not right. Maybe today we're going to see a major move going up, but till now we're still waiting. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, you remember what me I told you here. I told you that one here, it's need to be broken here, that trend line. I show it to you in the previous videos. Now down here, you can make something like that. You got here like a wedge or a triangle here. As you see it, very clear now here. Now that one, it's need to break here or to break down here. Here in the 4 hours, there is nothing yet. It's need the market to give you here maybe another move or another leg for you to complete everything, for you to enter from that level where we are, because level also we are in a very stronger level. I just show it to you, the trend line here, but also now we are stuck between the 100 moving average and the 200 moving average, which is up here. When we touch it, also we enter a short because of the price action we got. We fall down till here. Now also we are making nice profit from here. We enter. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. But another thing very important, if you see here, you remember that channel we used to have here. That channel here, we got a monthly pivot here. Now let's see tomorrow candle how it's going to finish, because monthly candle how it's going to finish, that one is very important to tell us exactly where is the market is going. Maybe tomorrow we're going to see a move. Let's hope. Maybe all that falling down it's just a correction, then after that we're going to see a move to break for us that last high. And me I tell the people they are in my Telegram and my Discord, I told them if we break in that last high, which is here, that one here, enter long, and we still have here a pending order. Me I got here a pending order to buy. If the Bitcoin go back here and breaking the 200 moving average, I'm going to buy. Top loss of me, I'm going to put it just here, but I'm still waiting what's going to happen. But I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying. Me I enter short because of that one here. It touched here the overbought area. Now it came down. Now it's going to fall down to touch here that middle here. That's the first scenario. Then after that maybe we're going to fall down to the oversold, or from here we're going to go back up. Another scenario is that one. You remember that trend line here? That one here. We enter long base on it because we used to have here a divergence here. That one here, maybe that one is going to fall down to touch that trend line here. Then after that to go back up. Even that one is possible. So all those scenarios you need to put them aside. Another thing very important, you got here, let me show it to you in the chart. If you see with me here, if you came here to that peak, that one here and that one here, and you connecting them by a line like that, what you seeing over here? Also we are going up, yes or no? If we go into the chart and we see it, what it telling us? What it telling us in the chart? The peak, that one me I make is that one and that one. So here in the chart, what it doing? We are falling down, that the trend line. And here we are going up. So we got here a very big divergence here, or a hidden divergence. So guys, even that one need to be focused about it. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, is it here at the overbought area? Level also we are in a very stronger level. Should we enter short? Not yet, my friend, not yet, because that level you can make it like that. As you see it, you got here that the first trend. The second trend is that one here. That one is smaller trend. The major one is that one here. But till now we haven't got here a price action for us to enter short. I'm talking here just about swing trading, so you need to wait till the right time, or maybe we're going to go up more, because that one at the end of the day just an oscillator. Even if we got here a divergence and all those things, at the end of the day it's just an oscillator, guys. So everything is too clear. Now it's going to 30 minutes for scalping and day trading, so it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you watching me now, I know you are a subscriber and been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment. Support us, guys. Yes, support us, please. We want that video at least to reach to 100 likes. Please, I know you can do it. So pause the video now, smash the like button. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, guys, as we enter from here, because of that double bottom here, we enter from that candle here. The first take profit, it used to be here in that level here. It hit it. Second take profit is down a little bit here. We are very close to hit it, but not yet. Now the market is very flat here. It gave us here a flag here. Look at it. You see it or no? It's a flag here. That's the flag. Till now me, I'm still waiting. Where is going to be hitting that flag? Here to break here. That's when the market will continue upward or to fall down. That's when the market is going to fall down more. So till now I'm still waiting. Another thing very important, let me show it to you, is that one here, our indicator. It started entering here to oversold area. So technically also we need to lock in for buy, but me personally I'm still thinking there is more falling down at least to that level here or the peak in the top. Let me show it to you exactly where me I'm thinking is going to fall down. Me personally I'm thinking is going to fall down till that level here, that one here, because that level here where we got the 200 moving average. And after that we're going to see if we are going to go back up. Till now the market is still showing to us lower low, as you see it, low. It's still the market in a downtrend here. Me personally I'm thinking it's going to fall down till that level here. Then after that we're going to see if we can find an entry long. Till now there is nothing, so also we're still waiting, guys. I think picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.